What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2002. It's a Honda Accord, and today we're having a problem with the computer. This is the code we're getting: PCM internal failure circuit. So what basically this code means is that the computer is having internal problems, and while the car turns on and everything, it's just the light that won't go off. And we see this car has anti-theft, so we're gonna switch the computer. We're gonna install a used one. Is this one. This one is located actually down there. So we're gonna replace this computer, and when you replace the computer you have to program the keys. Also, you don't need to actually flash the computer on these cars. So let me show you really quick. We have the code here. Let me do the report quick, and as you can see, the code doesn't erase. Let me just go directly to the module right there. I'm just gonna communicate with the engine control module right now, and we're gonna wait a little bit because this is an old car, so it takes some time to actually read the information from there. Okay, give me one sec. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already in the interface, so that means it's communicating with the module. We're gonna read codes, and as you can see, well, it was the same code. Like, so now we're gonna erase it, and if the code doesn't erase, then that means the problem is actually inside the computer. Okay, so let's wait for this thing to erase that light. Hopefully erases the light, or let's see. Okay, so we're gonna turn off the switch, and we're gonna turn it on again, and we're gonna read codes again and confirm if we erase the code or it's still there. Okay, come on. All right, so we hit read codes, and this confirms the computer is the actual problem. So we already checked fuses, grounds, all that, and everything matches, all the grounds and powers. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this thing, and I'll walk you through the programming procedure. You only need to program keys, and this is the tool we're gonna use to program that. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, so here we have the computer. So this is where it actually goes, right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug the computer outside, right here. I'm gonna just plug it outside because I want to confirm this is gonna be the actual issue. So once we plug it in, and actually gotta clean it because look, it has some dirt in it. So I'm gonna clean this, and then I'm gonna plug it in and start the programming process. So if you want to remove the computer, I would advise you first to do this, and then you can remove the computer. You have to remove two screws that hold it down. One is here and the other one is at the other side. So yeah, but first let's do this and confirm the problem. Alright, so the computer's already plugged in, and we're still in the same interface. We're gonna use the same interface for this to program the computer. So we're gonna open the switch, and the first thing you are gonna notice is the green dot. It's gonna be all the time on, or actually flashing, and that's because the computer is in a program. So now we're gonna read codes, and let's check if we have the same code like before. Confirming that we don't have the same code, we can go ahead and program the computer for this car. Alright, come on. Okay, so we see here no false code, nothing detected, so that means the computer was the actual issue. So now we're gonna do the special function, and we're gonna do a replacement of computer. So we're gonna replace computer. By doing this is we're gonna use the same key store, the data that is stored in the actual immobilizer, and it's just gonna transfer to the donor computer. If you do this, it's actually doing all keys lost, so we're just going to replace it. It says right here, do not execute this function unless you're replacing the computer, which I already did. We're gonna press OK to the next step, and yes, we want to continue. And it's gonna ask me to turn off the ignition switch and on a couple times. Okay, So it says the menu is not supported, so we're gonna do this instead. We're gonna go to keys because we need to add a key, and we're gonna wait for the 2 to exit the configuration and start the over here. All right. Okay, so we are in the main menu, and we're gonna check this one. We're gonna select Honda, and we're just gonna wait for the program to take us to the right one. We're gonna do a system selection because I want to go in really quick. We have immobilizer Honda. Yes, it's connected. Please turn ignition on. It's already on. It's gonna check the system to see what immobilizer configuration it has, and we see here already detected it. Second generation blade system. And we're gonna wait for the interface to load. So I checked first on the diagnostics software first, but didn't work, so came now to the immobilizer one. Okay, so we're gonna hit this one, ECM replacement. It's gonna be kind of similar to the same menu, so we're gonna enter how many keys we want to add. We're gonna add one. I'm gonna press OK, and we're gonna turn ignition off, and we see the light it's not blinking right now. Okay, we're gonna turn it on. It will still blink. Yep, I think after the third or the second time we put that one. Okay, so now we're gonna enter the whole VIN number of the car. So it's right here, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna put the VIN number in there. Alright, so we have the VIN number already in there, and we're gonna hit OK. It says please check if the PIN is correct. Yep, it's correct. And we see the light still blinking. Just gonna wait. Okay, we see the light, it's blinking faster now. So we're gonna turn off the ignition. And okay, we're gonna turn it on again using the same key. And the light's still blinking. Come on. And we see the light, it's already off. So it says, does the immobilizer indicator lamp go out? Yes, we're gonna press yes. Turn it off again. We're gonna turn it on again. And let's just wait a couple more minutes. It should be okay. So one key is already registered the computer, so we should be able to start the car now. Okay, and there we go. Okay, as you can see, we don't have the check engine light on, so this will be a successful fix. So this is how you fix the code PCM internal failure on this 2001 Honda Accord, but it applies for all the way to 2005, I believe, or 2006. That's when they start this third or fourth generation of Accords. So I hope you liked the information, guys, on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.